Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Raj Alvira, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, RR College, Chalbar. Ecological pyramids. In this topic, we will going to discuss about the ecological pyramid of any type of ecosystem. In nature, we see the different type of ecosystem, and each ecosystem shows its energy flow, food flow, and form pyramids. Ecological pyramid is the graphical representation of the trophic structure and function at successive trophic level. Successive tropical level means in any ecosystem, the flow of energy starts from the producer, as we can see, producer, then herbivorous, then carnivorous. Producer are the first biotic component which produce food for itself and others. Then herbivores consume the producer as food and take energy, and then carnivores consume herbivores as their food. So the when we form a graphical representation for this chain, producer, herbivores and carnivores, its graphical representation shows a pyramid like structure which we call ecological pyramid. Trophic structure is the characteristic of each type of ecosystem. Trophic structure means the interaction of food chain and the size metabolism relationship between the linearly arranged various biotic component of an ecosystem. Here is linearly arranged various biotic components. It means in ecosystem different type of biotic components are present. They start from producer, here we can see, and then herbivores, then carnivores. They are arranged linearly. So in the trophic levels, different trophic levels, we see the interaction of food chain and the size metabolism relationship between these biotic components. So the trophic structure is the characteristic feature of any ecosystem. Then we see ecological pyramids. In any ecological pyramid, the base of pyramid is always producer. हमेशा जो शुरुआत होती है इकोलॉजिकल पिरामिड की पिरामिड से ही होती है. सो द बेस ऑफ एनी इकोलॉजिकल पिरामिड इज प्रोड्यूसर लेवल. Producer always produce in large scale, so we are in this in the producer level always keep at the base position. इकोलॉजिकल पिरामिड्स आर ऑफ 3 टाइप. जब हम ये देखते हैं कि ये कितने प्रकार के होते हैं तो 3 टाइप के हम ये देखते हैं. दे आर फॉलोइंग: फर्स्ट पिरामिड ऑफ नंबर, सेकेंड पिरामिड ऑफ बायोमास एंड थर्ड पिरामिड ऑफ एनर्जी. Pyramid of number, it means the number of biotic component in each trophic level. Pyramid of biomass means what is the biomass. Biomass means जो प्रोड्यूसर प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वो उसका बायोमास होता है. हर्बीवोरस का क्या बायोमास होता है. जो लिविंग मैटर होता है, जो हर ट्रॉपिक लेवल पे जो लिविंग मैटर मिलता है उसको हम बायोमास कहते हैं. एनर्जी का फ्लो जो हम देखने को मिल रहे हैं ज़्यादा से कम की तरफ, तो उसको हम पिरामिड ऑफ एनर्जी से शो करते हैं. All of the pyramids show the rate of energy flow or productivity at successive trophic level. जो उनका नेक्स्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल होता है, फर्स्ट टू सेकंड, सेकंड टू थर्ड, उसमें ये प्रोडक्टिविटी शो करते हैं और रेट ऑफ एनर्जी फ्लो शो करते हैं. फर्स्ट, pyramid of number. This show the relationship between producer, herbivorous and carnivorous at a successive trophic level in term of number. तो जो ये pyramid of number होता है ये रिलेशनशिप शो करेगा इन दिस मैनर: प्रोड्यूसर, हर्बीवोरस, कार्निवोरस, कि ईच ट्रॉपिक लेवल The number of producer are always maximum, then herbivorous, then carnivorous. Carnivores are always least in number. The pyramid of number usually upright, but in some ecosystem this is different in shape. Usually क्या देखते हैं हम जो नंबर pyramid of number है ये हमेशा upright होते हैं. It means producer are at a lower level, then herbivorous, then primary, secondary consumer, then tertiary consumer, and the number of organisms gradually decreased. For example, grassland ecosystem. This is always upright. Grasses. In this ecosystem, we see that the grasses are the producer and they are maximum in number. Then so they utilize the sunlight and produce more grasses and increase their number. Then second, primary consumer. They are less in number. They are always lesser in number than the grasses. They eat grasses such as, in these such as rabbit, mice. These type of organisms are included, which are herbivorous, the completely herbivorous organism. And third, secondary consumer, such as snake, lizards. They are more or less in number than primary consumer. This they eat or they take their food from rabbit, mice. They, they consume as food rabbit and mice. And third, top consumer. Top consumers such as hawks, birds, they are least in number or a few in number. So in any grassland of ecosystem, we see the grasses are always maximum in number, then primary consumer, then secondary consumer, and then consumer. Top consumer are always least in number. When we show its geographical representation, they always form a upright pyramidal shape. First, this diagram shows the grassland ecosystem. In this diagram, we see the lower level, this level is the grasses, which are more in number. So at the base, this is broad, and then primary consumer are less in number than producer. So it form the less broad pyramid, less broad. Then secondary consumer, they are more less in number, and then tertiary consumer, they are a few in number. And we see the pyramid is upright. At the base this is broad, and at the top this is narrow, and it forms a pyramidal structure. Second is the pond ecosystem. Pond ecosystem, when we see in the pond ecosystem, at the producers are the phytoplankton such as algae and bacteria. They are a small kind of organism or plants. They are always large in number or maximum in number. Primary and then primary consumers such as small fishes, snails, or aquatic animals, small size, which eat the producer as food. Then secondary consumer, um, they are large in size than primary consumers. Herbivorous, they are carnivorous. They consume primary consumers as food, so they are less in number. And the tertiary consumer, they are large size organism which consume secondary consumer as food. So the tertiary consumer eat or obtain food from the secondary consumer, and secondary consumer to eat consume as food as in primary consumer, and primary consumer obtain their food from producer are always bacteria and algae. So the pond ecosystem is always upright, as we see in this diagram. The base is the broad and the top of the pyramid is narrow. Both pyramids are upright in shape. In pond ecosystem, phytoplankton are maximum in number. And now we see the third type of ecosystem, forest ecosystem. In the forest ecosystem, large size of trees are found, so they are less in number, as we see in this diagram. Trees are less in number, but they are producers. Mhm. They are producer. The tree is or producer are consumed by primary consumer or herbivores. They are gradually increase in their number, and primary consumers are consumed by secondary consumers. They are less in number, and the tertiary consumer are least, always least. द पिरामिड ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम इज़ डिफरेंट इन शेप. तो इसे हम देख रहे हैं तो ये दूसरे टाइप के पिरामिड से डिफरेंट होता है. प्रोड्यूसर आर लार्ज इन साइज, लेस इन नंबर. द साइज इज लार्ज बट नंबर इज लेस. इफ द साइज इज स्मॉल, नंबर विल बी more. And the base of a pyramid, so in we see the base is not broad, the narrow base is present. Herbivorous elephant, deers, etc. gradually increase in number because thus biomass of this tree is large. So many herbivores consume it as food. So the number of herbivores gradually increase. And then we see the carnivores. Carnivores are always least in number. And fourth pyramid. The pyramid of parasitic food chain is always inverted, as we see in the forest ecosystem. In forest ecosystem, we see the two type of food chain. First is the in which producer is a tree and primary consumers are जो अपने herbivores होते हैं, and then secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. When we see the parasitic food chain, this always running in forest. पैरासिटिक फूड चेन में जो कि डेट्रोट्रेशन के काम आती है, मतलब डिग्रेड करती है इस सब को. जैसे प्लांट डिग्रेड होगा तो उसके लिए हम पैरासिटिक फूड चेन काम को देखते हैं. द पिरामिड ऑफ पैरासिटिक फूड चेन इज़ ऑलवेज इन्वर्टेड. तो इसमें हम यह देखते हैं कि जो पैरासिटिक फूड चेन है, दिस इज़ ऑलवेज पिरामिड. प्रोड्यूसर इज़ ओनली सिंगल ए ट्री. एंड देन वी सी द फ्रूट ईडिंग बर्ड्स. जो बर्ड होंगे वो प्रोड्यूसर के ऊपर जो फ्रूट्स लगते हैं वो उन्होंने खा लिए, तो वो क्या हो गया, ज़्यादा नंबर में है, बर्ड्स ज़्यादा संख्या में हो गए. फिर उसके बाद पैरासाइट ऑन हर्बीवोरस. अब कुछ पैरासाइट ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हर्बीवोरस, मतलब जो बर्ड्स हैं या छोटे साइज़ के जो ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं हर्बीवोरस होते हैं, उनके ऊपर पैरासाइट की तरह काम करते हैं, such as lice and bugs. And then we see the hyperparasite on insect parasite. And at the last we see the hyperparasite और the insect parasite. It means जो birds के ऊपर पैरासाइट थे, जैसे लाइस हो गए, बग्स हो गए, छोटे साइज के इंसेक्ट which eat which obtain their food from the birds or small herbivores. So जो इंसेक्ट है इसके ऊपर भी कोई पैरासाइट मिलता है, उसको हम हाइपर पैरासाइट कहेंगे. In this we include the fungi, actinomycetes, bacteria. They obtain their food, these small kind of insect or parasites. A single plant support the growth of many herbivores. and each herbivore provide nutrition to several parasite and hyperparasite. जैसा कि हमने इस डायग्राम में भी देखा है कि एक जो सिंगल पैरासाइट या सिंगल प्लांट होता है वो फूड प्रोड्यूस किया, उसको कई सारे हर्बीवोर उससे न्यूट्रिशन ले रहे हैं, उनकी ग्रोथ के लिए ज़रूरी है। फिर हर्बीवोरस से न्यूट्रिशन ले रहे हैं प्राइमरी पैरासाइट जो इंसेक्ट हो सकते हैं। फिर उसके बाद जो इंसेक्ट के ऊपर भी कोई पैरासाइट है तो वो हाइपर पैरासाइट है। तो एक सिंगल प्लांट इन सब की ग्रोथ को सपोर्ट करके करता है। The number of organisms gradually increase and make the pyramid inverted in shape. As we see, there is only one plant, and then fruit-eating birds are more in number, and then parasites on herbivores are more than fruit-eating birds. And then at the last or top of the pyramid, we see the hyperparasite, such as bacteria, fungi, ectomycetes. They are so many times in number. So the pyramid of parasitic food chain is always upright. Second pyramid is the pyramid of biomass. Biomass means living जो मैटर होता है किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का, वो उसका बायोमास कहलाता है। तो किसी इकोसिस्टम में या किसी ट्रॉफिक लेवल का जो हम बायोमास देखेंगे, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म या लिविंग मैटर, वो उसका बायोमास होता है। तो दिस इज़ ऑलवेज अपराइट, बट इन पॉन्ड दिस इज़ इन्वर्टेड। सच है दिस इज़ द ग्रास इकोसिस्टम. Grasses are more in number and shows more biomass, and in pyramid this is broad, base is broad. And then herbivorous, they are less in number, and the carnivorous, they are lesser in number. So this is pyramidal shape and upright. And second, pyramid of forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem, we see the producer is a large tree and they are large in size and the biomass is maximum. Then herbivores such as elephant, deer, they are small in number and the biomass is lesser than tree. And third is carnivores, they are small in size than herbivores and number is increased, but the biomass, according to biomass, the tree level or producer level is broad, then herbivores, then carnivores. It shows the upright pyramid. And third, pond ecosystem. In pond ecosystem, we see the producer are always phytoplankton, algae and bacteria. So they are small in number, they are small in size but large in number. So they are biomass, their biomass is less but number is more. So the base level is so narrow. And then herbivores, they are more in number, and the carnivorous number is least, but the size or biomass of carnivore is सबसे ज़्यादा होता है इसका बायोमास। तो इस तरीके से हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं प्रोड्यूसर सबसे कम है बायोमास में लेकिन नंबर ज़्यादा है, हर्बीवोरस बायोमास ज़्यादा है लेकिन नंबर कम होते जा रहे हैं। और इस तरीके से जो कार्निवोरस है उसका बायोमास ज़्यादा है बट नंबर है जो सबसे कम उसमें पाए जा रहे हैं। तो इस तरीके से ये उल्टा पिरामिड इसमें हमको देखने को मिलता है। एंड लास्ट, pyramid of energy. Energy means in energy transfer in the form of food. When we see producer are receive the sunlight and it transform the sunlight, yes, radiation energy into chemical energy. Chemical means food energy. And so the producer consists maximum energy, then producer consumed by primary consumer or herbivores. The energy transfer from producer to primary consumer in the form of in the form of food. So the energy is always less. And then we see the secondary consumer or carnivores. They consume their food, uh, they consume herbivores as their food, and the always energy is decreased at the top of level. Then tertiary consumer, they consume secondary consumer or primary consumer. So in this pyramid we see the energy always maximum in producer, then herbivorous, then carnivorous, and at the top level the energy, small amount of energy is reached. In this pyramid, the energy flow among the different level of food chain shows that the pyramid is always upright. So the pyramid of energy is always upright because the producer have more energy than the top carnivores. There is always gradual decrease in the energy content at successive tropic level from the producer to various consumer. As we see, the producer have more energy than the tertiary consumer level. So each tropic level or each successive tropic level, the energy is always decreased. Thank you.